Welcome to the Verizon Innovative Learning Program at Tallahassee Community College. This year-long program focuses on middle school students and introduces them to virtual reality, 3D printing, creative tech design, and coding.
The Verizon Innovative Learning Program is a year-long program that includes 4 main pillars. Those are design thinking, emerging media, entrepreneurial mindset, and sustainability.
This summer, during our virtual camp, students learned how to use CoSpaces and Tinkercad software to craft their own 3D worlds and designs.
I see it as a great learning experience for kids to challenge themselves in world building and design thinking.
While on campus, students are paired with college and high school mentors. Instructors and mentors also educate students in a variety of skills outside of STEM subjects. Self-meditation, confidence building, fear conquering, and public speaking are a few examples of skills that the VIL program fosters in students.
What surprised me the most about this program was the level of dedication and enthusiasm the kids showed about what they were learning in the camp.
Their ability to learn a new tool and start creating with it right away was just mind-blowing. And I'm not talking just any creation. I'm talking about comprehensive, well-thought-out creations. Their ability to retain the information and the engagement level.
Technological literacy is so important in today's world. The Verizon Innovative Learning Program was started to equalize the playing field for underprivileged and underserved communities. The goal of the program is to give these students the opportunity to have a quality interaction with education and technology.
Some of the highlighted moments from the VIL summer camp was actually seeing the students excited to come to the class. Also, the mindful activities that we performed after they came from their lunch break.
I love learning these new tools with the students, the missions, the daily challenges. I love being able to work with these world builders. They're from different ages, different backgrounds, from different schools, different parts of the community, all coming together around one mission, and that's creating.
Some of the things that surprised me about the VL program is the way that kids think outside the box by using different creative ideas, using the immersion cube, using the virtual reality.
What I like most about being a VIL instructor is having the ability to share the love of learning. To actually see that the kids loved it, it made me happy.
What I like most about being a VIL instructor is this new idea, this innovative idea, this creative thought of how we can teach the students the tools that they never would have actually had access to.
What I would like to share about the VIL program is that this is an opportunity for the kids to share their creativity, their imagination, their thoughts without any regrets and having fun while doing it.
One highlight moment would be the award show we had at the end of the camp. The kids were so excited to receive their awards, and I could definitely see the boost in their confidence.
This VIL program opens up a student's mind to think, I can become a computer programmer, or a data scientist, or work with artificial intelligence. The possibilities become infinite.